Alright guys, we're doing a little bit of RC helicopter, sorry. I think I splintered out of my fingers. We were cutting brush today and stuff. Sorry you couldn't get it on camera. It was so wet we didn't want to drop our phone. Anywho, trying to fly this RC helicopter, but it's kind of windy today. So, and we're not exactly on the best ground to do it. So.
Oh no, it's got that problem. See, it's broken there.
Oh, so it's leaning.
Yeah. Alright, let's try it again. It's better when it's on like complete flat ground.
I don't know how the frame rate's gonna be on this. Like, it looks like they're going really slowly, but they're really not. Because the frame rate thing. Oop, I lost it. Oop, oh. I can't keep up with it, and you're gonna drop it.
Snap.
You almost dropped it in a puddle, too.
Alright, wait. Oh no, it's still alive.
Alright, I kind of want to fly this, because I've never flown it before.
I knew. Alright, we gotta get it out of this area. It's too wet.
It's too wet. Alright.
Go back to the driveway.
Meanwhile, in the shed over there, right there, I was building a dredge to put an excavator on. Like a little boiler. Oh, it won't stop. It just keeps going up. Oh, crap. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Oh.
That was nice. That was nice.
That wasn't terrible. I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting. Wind's killing it now.
Yeah. Alright, as
Anywho,
soon as I get it, I gotta
Cub.
get it up in the air.
And I can't see it on my phone screen. Hold on.
Let's try to get a landing.
And
There we
it
go.
fell right there. You guys in the video can see it better than I can. And failed landing.
Dorothy, yes. This thing's dangerous. Sometimes it turn on its own.
Yeah,
Look,
well,
get it again.
it,
Ouch. Stop. It does it on its own.
does what?
It tries to fly because it thinks it's way up in the air.
Then falling.
And falling. It's like a limp home mode.
Oh. I don't know if you guys know what a limp home mode is, but it's when a newer electric car thinks it hurt itself, so then it just drives really slowly. Why are you shaking, Dottie? You're shaking, silly dog. What is its issue?
It's got problems.
What's wrong with it?
Dorothy, yes.
She's like, food? 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 Now, the blades are actually going way faster than they look like they're... Oh! It hit the good old 970.
Oh, boy.
It's shaking pretty good.
Support beam.
Whoops.
Oh no, it just slid out of place. Let me turn it off.
Whoopsie.
So, yeah. There we go.
Good old Case 970.
Alright, go blades.
I don't know
There we
what
go.
color it's actually supposed to be.
Nope.
It's got a little bit of both. It's old.
Right.
It was Grandpa's and now it's Dad's.
We're gonna...
We'll do a tractor showcase video later and we go around all the different places we got tractors and start them all up for you. We'll do that this summer. As you can see, it is not summer right now. Why are you going over here? Oh, good point. Snow doesn't hurt it much. Well, it hurts electronics, but
Well, landing on the hard surface.
they're on the 970's hood.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on right there. Turn this on.
Anyway, we were dragging logs today with the Cub. Come here, Dottie.
I got it turned.
Yeah, we were dragging logs and stuff with the Cub and hauling our wagons around, so it's all our tracks. Yeah, the blades are going fast, just the way frames per second work. Oh, you almost landed it, too.
Yeah, I'm not trying to land.
Oh, stop it. It cut. Stop, you're gonna break.
It's fine. It's a good helicopter.
Yeah, they're going way faster than they actually are. Just frame rate does goofy stuff. We're up to 5 minutes now. I gotta stay.
I'm gonna try to land it.
Oh, not terrible, not terrible.
I'm gonna try to get off the ground.
I don't know, you're leaning pretty good. Nope, no. They're leaning too much. It can't lift itself out of the snow. That's the problem.
It's trying. It's really producing a lot of air. It's stuck under.
Oh, backflip. Failed backflip.
Oh, that's why it's stuck.
Its propeller got bent underneath its frame.
It's making nice little ruts.
Oh, now it's gonna take off towards me. Just oh. You're terrible, Nate.
No, we just gotta get a flat surface. That's the problem.
Is there a way to set it on top of the snow?
Probably. We just gotta get it level. There we go.
We're gonna try it again. You're pretty terrible, Nate.
No, it's a helicopter. It's doing weird stuff. I figured out. This thing, it makes it. Let's say you wanted to go around a corner and not have to.
So if you were gonna go like this around a corner,
Yeah, if you wanted to do like an arc without having to.
oh, like this.
Yeah.
Not yo, boop-a-doop, boop-a-doop. Wind. Oh, we gotta go catch it.
It's just able to keep away.
Oh, we landed on the sun in the middle of this table.
Oh, that'd work.
Well, it's a great launch
That could be a
pad.
helipad.
Helipad, yeah.
Oh crap, I gotta fix that. Oh, is there another one broke? Oh, no.
Oh, the tablecloth is still out here from when we tried to dry it out in the sun. Hey,
Yeah, that ain't drying.
airstrip. Airstrip, buddy, airstrip. And then we got our helipad up there.
I gotta go like this.
Nate,
Have it try to.
airstrip down here, helipad up there.
Sure. Alright, let's go.
That doesn't sound good. Oh, it's moving the water.
Try to go against the wind.
Against the wind. Sorry, I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. It's a really good old song. Oh! Trash. Trash is how you fly. Is that limp home mode?
Nope. Ready?
Throw it up in the air. Ah! Almost got hit. Dottie's gonna. Dottie! Dottie!
Oh boy.
That wasn't limp home either. Limp home mode hurts.
You ready?
I don't know, clear the helipad off the whole way. It's got snow all over it.
I hope it doesn't do limp home mode right now. That would stink.
Just
Right in the eye.
right in the hand.
Alright.
Fly this thing well. Tree!
I'm trying to get stuff before it hit the tree. Limp home mode.
Limp home mode.
I'm gonna try to take it off and land on the helipad.
Can't land it in the snow. You can't
Alright, John,
start it in the snow.
you hold it and I'll tell you when to release.
No! Like I'm doing that.
Ready? Go.
How do you go forward? How do you go forward and backward?
No!
Oh no! I can't find it on my ooh. There's a piece of ice.
Home mode is stuck.
It's stuck. Sorry guys if only half the video is actual helicopter, because I really can't see it on my screen. Unless all my brightness turned up the whole way.
Look at the back propeller. Help it.
Helping.
No, you just heard it. Alright, right on top.
No, right down in.
Alright,
We go.
ready?
Flying lawnmower.
Wind. Alright, go
Just
back.
land it right here, buddy. Or Nate, start right here on the hard ground, because you were gonna lift off, fly, and then land back on the helipad. Lift off there. fly up, do something, come back and land on the helipad and the SAR in the middle. No, not crash in the ground.
It's battery's getting close to dead.
Yeah, from doing that.
Or maybe I totally destroyed the wings. I mean the
Propellers,
rotors.
rotors, whatever they're called.
R-O-T-O-R. I missed that on the spelling bee a couple years ago.
Rotor, R-O-T-O-R. I'm hoping it was a practice round.
Nope.
Sad that they had R-O-T-O-R on the spelling bee.
There's too much wind, it's so sad.
Okay, we'll try again tomorrow, guys.
We're gonna keep going.
We're gonna keep going today?
Yep.
I guess we'll try again tomorrow, though, if we can. Today is Saturday, March 3rd.
I don't know.
I think it is. I don't know why I keep saying the date in the video, just in case we don't get it uploaded, I think. Because sometimes it takes time to upload a video.
There we go. Probably snow in the propeller.
Too much fat, too much heavy weight for it to lift.
Ready? Up.
Roddy, watch out! Just tip it up for you.
That's the broken one.
Oh, whoops.
See, John, that's not a dry enough. Yeah, that's not a dry enough surface.
Ugh.
It's dying. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay, guys, battery's dead. We're up to 12 or 11 and a half minutes now. So,
Yeah, half of it was crashes, though.
We're talking about the dog tractors.
Yep, it's dead.
All right, guys.
Keep trying to get it up in the air. If I eventually get it up in the air, we'll make a part 2, but it's doubtful. Yeah, it's doubtful.
All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what else you want to do. We've got 2 RC pickup trucks in the basement. Just they don't like.
We might do that in a part 2.
Yeah, we might do that in part 2.
Part 2.
RC part 2. We're gonna hope they're charged. We left one of them charging, but we don't know about the other one because that was last weekend. Since wrestling season's over, we've been
Yeah, it's dead.
Having fun on the-
It won't even run. It
Okay.
won't even start
Turn the
to
propellers.
turn propellers.
All right, guys. We'll do the trucks in part 2 here soon. And like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.